G'day team, in this video Ashleigh is going to be demonstrating how to properly clean the steam room at both BAWC and SLC. So grab your equipment from the appropriate storeroom and give the patrons a heads up that you'll be cleaning the steam room in a couple minutes. To turn it off, simply hold down this button for 10 seconds and you'll see the green light disappear. Grab your hose and grab the tripping hazard sign in order to make the area safe. Now in this clip here, Ashleigh is pointing out the kind of build-up that we get in parts of the steam room that don't get cleaned too often, especially underneath the seats. Here she uses a cloth to demonstrate to us how much dirt there is built up in certain nooks and crannies of the steam room. Yuck. So start spraying, we want to disinfect as much as possible, then grab the broom and start scrubbing the entire bench. This includes the walls, the floor, the windows. You guys have 15 minutes to clean the steam room, so it's expected you use as much of this time as possible. Once you've done scrubbing, grab your hose and start rinsing down all the areas that have been sprayed and scrubbed. In this video here, you can see just how much dirty water is getting rinsed away with the hose. So again, important to focus on those areas at the bottom of the seats. Hosing the walls, hosing the bench, even giving the roof a bit of a spray as well. And then when you're done, you want to grab a squeegee and you want to squeegee all that water down the drain, because we don't want that dirty water sitting stagnant in the steam room. It doesn't hurt to give the outside of the steam room a bit of a clean as well. Close the door, turn the steam room back on by holding down the button, and start packing up all your equipment. Now it's really important that if anything is lost, damaged, or something needs to be replenished, please let the duty manager know. Thanks heaps to Ashleigh for her demonstration in this video. Hope it helps. Good work, team.